So I'll be showing you a couple of things you can do to fix slow internet on your iPhone or iPad. Now I'm using the iPhone here, but this works on the iPad as well. So if you're experiencing very slow internet connection, the first thing you want to do is turn off the internet. Okay, so if you're using Wi-Fi, you can turn off Wi-Fi for a couple of minutes and then turn it back on to reconnect. If you're using mobile data, you might as well do the same. Just turn off mobile data for a couple of minutes and then turn it back on. And when it connects, your internet should be back up to speed. Now, the other thing you want to do is, of course, after making sure your router is working properly and other devices have the correct speed, the problem you're sure is on the iPhone, you might want to go ahead and restart your iPhone. And so to do that, go ahead and switch off your iPhone. So side key and volume up, long press until the power menu appears, and then switch off your iPhone. And then you want to give it about a minute or two, and then you can switch it back on. Just press the side key, just long press that side key until you see the Apple logo, and then release and allow your iPhone to boot back up. Now, once the phone boots back up, everything should be fine. If it's still not fine, then you might want to reset your network settings. So to do this, keep in mind that this will erase all your network settings, all your saved Wi-Fi networks, and all your other Wi-Fi settings. So go to settings and then go to general, tap on that. Under general, you want to go all the way to the bottom and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, and from the menu tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode and then confirm by tapping on reset network settings. Your iPhone, you'll see the Apple logo, and then the iPhone screen will go dark for a couple of moments, and then your iPhone will restart. So when the iPhone restarts, of course, you'll need to set your mobile plan again afresh. So for my mobile plan, I'm just going to go for the secondary SIM. For iMessage, I'll use my primary SIM or both. For FaceTime and iMessage, mobile data, there you go. So now I'll need to connect my Wi-Fi again because resetting erased everything. So go to your Wi-Fi settings and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. And now everything should be fine with your internet speed. Okay, you can always go to go ahead and run an internet speed test, and now everything should be okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.